All right, we are back at it today. Just showing off the new bike. I picked up the Hypermotard 950 SP. I got the full Termignoni system on it. I got some Evotech Performance goodies, frame sliders, radiator cooler protector. I do have the Evotech Performance tail tidy for the single-sided exhaust. I just did not put that on. I will put that on in the next video. Yeah, that's the Corsair X Hayden Laguna Seca replica. If you don't have this helmet, yeah, you should get it because it's sick. This bike, so I had a 939 Ducati Hypermotard SP. This bike is better. The engine has more mid-range, top end's about the same, but overall this bike, it revs up faster, more mid-range and more torque. The other thing is this bike has a bigger intercooler. So obviously with Euro 5 regulations, in order to meet the same power with the same engine, these engines are burning a little hotter, higher compression ratio, but you need more coolant. With the bigger intercooler, a radiator, you have a lot more coolant going through this engine, and it really just revs up faster and everything else. So I had gotten rid of my 939 when I picked up my Triumph, the 765 RS. Now I missed it. I missed this thing, and I never really cared for having the inline 4 of the BMW S1000R. It's a great road bike, but it just didn't have the soul that the Triumph or the Ducati has. Sorry, it's very windy. I'm at the beach. But yeah, the BMW just didn't have that soul that the Ducati had, or the Triumph has. So now I'm back at it with the Ducati. Of course, with the SP version, the 950. I was gonna say the 950. The 950 SP with the full Termi exhaust. I'm about to start it up and play a little bit for you. But yeah, as you can see, I'm not fucking around. You don't buy this thing and keep that bullshitter exhaust. You get the beans. Yeah, another good look at this, the Corsair X Hayden Laguna replica. You have the means, and you want to have a collection. This Hayden replica, you need to add to it. All right, so when you put it on, I got the steering damper as well, the Owens. So when you put it on, when it has, it says Racing Evo. Now let me just kind of put my helmet on the ground so it doesn't fall. So I like the seating position better on this bike. It's flatter. You sit more on the front. This is this textured plastic right here. You literally sit right up on it like a real true supermoto. I love riding supermotos. Big shout out to SoCal Supermoto. If you have the time or the means, I would definitely go out there and have fun out here inside. So yeah, if you ever want to wear Yep, that shit sounds the business. Once I get the Evotech tail tighten on for this, once I get the tail tidy on for it, I'll take another video. And right now it's December 15th, and it's pretty cold. I'm right at the beach. If you know where I am, cool. If you don't, oh well. But yeah, I'm literally, the Atlantic Ocean is just right there. So it's windy today, but it's about almost 50 degrees. Just wanted to take a little video of the new bike. So the BMW is gone, and back in the fold is the Hypermotard SP. If you're thinking about getting this bike, I would recommend it, but it's not a beginner's bike, even though the displacement and the power, because of this tall seating position, I personally, wouldn't recommend it for somebody who's new. But aside from that, it's just a good fun bike. And I live outside of New York City, and I'm always at work with in New York when I commute to and from, and it's just a great commuter bike. That high seating position, being high up, it gives you a commanding view of the road, and with the amount of travel and the suspension, it really soaks up the bumps. At the track, is this thing, you know, does it have the top end of other things? No. This is the type of bike you take to, if you live in the New York area, you take this to New York safety track. Yeah, you can take it to NJMP, and it's fine. It'll do it. It'll do any track. It's not going to be, you know, slow for any track. But on the top end side, this is more of ripping out of the corners. It's all about the torque. It's just a fun hooligan bike. If this is your only bike in the stable, you know, I don't know if you just want this as your only one, but if you have multiple bikes and you have the means to have multiple, this is definitely a bike you want to add into your collection. Ducati Hypermotard 950 SP with the full Termignoni Racing Exhaust. I will update as follows. Again, the only other things I am doing are the tail tidy, and I'm getting rid of these mirrors, stockers, and putting other ones. But again, it's the season is ended, and I will have it ready and prepped for start of next season. Again, if you're in the market for the Ducati Hypermotard SP, the 950, take it for a test ride if you can. See if you like it. Very tall seating position, could turn some people off. It's very much like a supermoto riding position. You're very up on it, and like really up on the front of the tank. So if you're not used to that and you don't like that riding style, you know, just take it for a test ride. It's a lot of fun. Great bike. It does not look good in the regular stock form. It does not. You need to get you need to get the race exhaust on this thing. It just sounds the business. I'm not a fan of the SE Projects exhaust that some people do. No offense to you, Hypermotard NYC. I know some of the guys part of that group at Ducati New York. They used to love my old 939, which was totally modded out, and I had a full Acura system on that. This is nicer than that. It just looks like a real motor. Supermoto looks like a real motard bike, and it just sounds like the Pump Squad is in. Anyway, that's about it. Just wanted to show off the new bike that I got, and yeah, be looking forward to taking this bad boy to the track in 2020 and making some videos with it. All right, as always, stay fresh, and oh yeah, the Corsair X, the Hayden Laguna Seca replica. Yeah, I'll do an in-depth video of this helmet, but this helmet is so boss. Metallic in it, it's really on another level. And I'm glad Arai came back out with it. It came out in November of 2019, so probably the nicest graphic Arai came out with in this year, and I thought it was the Isle of Man one, but I have a few helmets to review, and I will get a video of that soon. As always, stay fresh.